Okay, what we're going to talk about, I've got a couple of people have called me on my YouTube videos about compressors. And we're going to talk about basically wiring. I had a customer call me, said, my wiring is all over the place. I don't know which wire goes to which, so we're going to make this easy for you. You come off the compressor. You usually have 3 wires always. The easiest thing to remember is 2 wires are always going to go to T1 and T2, okay? In this particular case, if you look at your contactors, you'll always have your same colored wires. Usually the reds will be on T1 and the blacks will be on T2, okay? That's one thing you need to know. So you always want to match the same color wire to the same color wire that's possibly on there from another component. So now what you got here, you've got 3 wires. We're going to make this real easy for you. You've got line 1, which is T1. You've got the black one, which is T2. And then you always have 1 wire that's going to go to the capacitor. I made this easy for you. And in this case, it's going to always be marked H. It's the blue wire. On your capacitor, you're usually going to always have common, fan, and hermetic. In this particular case, we've matched the terminal block here with the little wiring diagram. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. You got 3 wires from the compressor. The red usually goes to T1, the black goes to T2. The 3rd wire, which is either going to be orange or red most of the time, is going to always go to your H. That's your start winding of your compressor. I'm going to show you another unit over here. This is a train unit, okay? See the Climatuf compressor? We have 3 wires coming off this one. In this case, you have the orange, red, and black and blue stripe. Okay, you come through here. Notice once again, your red wire is on your T1 side, okay, and you have another red wire matching. You have a black and blue stripe wire, but also look at that. You have a black wire here. In this particular case, is going to the fan. You have your hermetic wire. Your starting winding is orange on the H side. You always have 3 wires. 1 on the start winding, the red on T1, the black on T2. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you have any problems, give Jones Air Conditioning Electrical a call, 239-596-5855. Thank you.